Hello, everyone. Mike here. Hey, welcome to Fatherly AI. On this episode, we're going to discover how AI can read, summarize, and explain things for you. At this stage of life, we are often dealing with a lot of information: letters, articles, emails, and instructions. And sometimes they're hard to get through. Not because we can't understand them, but because they're long or written in confusing language. This is one of the most practical ways that I use AI, and it's something anyone can try. Once again, today I'm using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool where you type questions into a box and get written answers back. Think of it as a patient helper that's good at reading and explaining things. Let's go ahead and set this up. Now here on the screen, I'm going to give you a real example. Let's imagine that you receive a long letter from an insurance company. It's full of paragraphs, small print, and unfamiliar terms. You want to understand it, but you don't want to spend half an hour decoding it. So here's what I do. I open ChatGPT. I copy a section of the letter, just a few paragraphs, and I paste it here into the box. And then I type this simple sentence. Explain this to me so I can understand it clearly. And that's it. ChatGPT reads what I pasted, and it gives me a short summary of the main points. Now, I know what the letter is actually about without reading every line. Sometimes, even the summary raises questions. So, I type another sentence. Can you explain this to me in plain English? And just like that, the language becomes clearer. You see, I can slow things down. I can ask follow-up questions. All right, so let's ask the question, why does this matter? This is what I like about using AI this way. It doesn't rush you, it doesn't judge you, and it doesn't make you feel like you should already understand everything. This works especially well for things like medical information, insurance letters, news articles, or instructions that you want to understand before making a decision. So just let me encourage you. You're not giving your thinking away, and you're giving yourself support. You always stay in control, and you decide what matters and what doesn't. If there's one thing to remember from this episode, it's this. AI can help you understand things at your pace. You don't need to use it perfectly. You don't need to use it every day. Just know it's there when something feels too long, too confusing, or just overwhelming. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. This is Fatherly AI, learning to use AI in the second half of life.